Welcome back to our series on realistic portrait drawing for beginners. In today's video, we're diving into the world of values, shading and highlighting, to add depth and dimension to our portraits. Understanding values is crucial for creating realistic portraits. By breaking down an image into only 2 or 3 distinct values, we can simplify our understanding of where the key shadows and highlights are located. Let's start by discussing how light source intensity and direction influence shading and highlights. The direction and strength of the light source determine where shadows fall and where highlights appear on the face. Once we understand the light source, we can apply a preliminary value layer to our portrait, using a light touch to establish the basic shadow and highlight areas. Next, we darken the darks by adding additional layers of shading to areas of deeper shadow, such as the eye sockets and under the chin. Remember to use matte pencils to help minimize the graphite shine that can result when repeatedly applying heavy pencil pressure to darken the darkest areas. If you inadvertently create graphite shine, spray the finished portrait with a clear matte finish such as Krylon 1311 to flatten the glossy areas. Now, let's refine the midtones and highlights to match the values in our reference image. This involves carefully observing the subtle transitions between light and shadow and adjusting our drawing accordingly. Blending stumps are a helpful tool for smoothing the transitions between adjacent value zones, creating a seamless, realistic effect. For the brightest highlights, we can use precision erasers and gel pens to lighten specific areas of the drawing, adding a final touch of realism and luminosity. Finally, let's discuss techniques for drawing realistic hair. Paying attention to the direction of hair strands and varying the pressure and stroke length of your pencil can help create lifelike texture and volume. And don't forget to use your precision eraser or gel pen for the brightest highlights for shiny hair. And there you have it, mastering values through shading and highlighting is key to creating realistic portraits. By understanding light source direction, applying preliminary value layers, and refining shadows and highlights, you'll be well on your way to capturing the essence of your subjects. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials. And remember, practice makes progress. Happy drawing!